kemach ein Teure. Es soll ein Teure ein kemach. Ein kemach ein Teure ein Teure ein kemach. In Parshas Ekev, it says, "Moy halechem levadoi yechei adam, shal v'moitz pi Hashem yechei adam." So we had here a couple of years ago, the neighboring rabbi. So he was our orator for, he and his wife were our by us for another Shabbosim. So he got to thank us on Parshas Ekev. He said that he said Lechem Avada he gets from his position there. That's what he gets with Parnassus. But Moshe Hashem he gets from us. Ship teaches in Kemach in Torah he says like this. He says when Moshe all Amorim he went up to the Makabel Torah. So the Malachim protested. Isha Beinenu, what a Torah that the Rebbeinu held hidden for Doiris, essentially a gem like Torah, to give away Torah to the Basar of Adam, they'll be over more than the Mekayim. So the Rebbeinu says the Rebbeinu took Moshe Rabbeinu and surclassed their Panav. He made Moshe Rabbeinu he performed plastic surgery, and he made Moshe Rabbeinu resemble Avraham Avinu. So, and Rabbeinu pointed. He told the Malachim. He said, "Where's your Akar Satoy?" He pointed to Moshe Rabbeinu over Avraham. Klum Yiradim L'Sei Beisai. You were traveling and you were hungry and tired, so he was Machal you. So he said, what did he do? He told Sorbein Mahari she take slice steam so that's kebab flavors. She take and make them but tea. So he said that's the shot. So he said he was Machal you. He gave you these, he gave you kebab. So he said so that's of course I say you're pretty clever that you got not letting you come to a substitute shot. The main kemach, if not to explain him kemach says that Avraham Avinu was Machlas Jericho, so he said that's how the eight turn Kaisho was not able to be called to it. Chazani Ba'Kaisho Omer. Rosh HaKadosh Baruch Hu Zaki says Yisrael, V'Tzikon, Kibla Peiro, Mitzvah,
Another 4 minutes till Shkia. Another 4 minutes or so till Shkia.
Oh, yeah.
What time do you have Shkia?
44?
You better double check your Shkia.
What time is it?
I'll tell you in a minute.
What time is it? It's
Now?
44 is Shkia.
Now it is
7:41.
What time is it?
It's 41.
7:42, 43.
All right, by the time we say Kaddish, it'll be
7:41.
Shkia. Okay.
Chazani Ba'Kaisho Omer. Rosh HaKadosh Baruch Hu Zaki says Yisrael.